In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block redirects in Brave browser. Let's get started by launching the Brave browser on your device. Simply locate the Brave icon and give it a click. Once the browser is open, you're ready to move on. Now look for the main menu. This is your gateway to all the settings you need. It's situated in the top right corner of the browser window. The icon you're looking for is composed of three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click that main menu icon. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This action gives you access to a variety of options and settings that we will explore next. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. This is crucial because the settings area is where you can customize your browsing experience. By adjusting these settings, you can enhance your privacy and security. With the settings menu open, look to the left sidebar. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is important as it houses all the tools you need to keep your online activities safe and secure. Making adjustments here can significantly decrease your exposure to unwanted pop-ups and redirects. After selecting Privacy and Security, find Site and Shield settings in the center panel. Click on it. This will direct you to a new page where you can fine-tune how websites interact with your browser. This is key to controlling your browsing experience. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Content section. You're looking for pop-ups and redirects. Click on it when you find it. This step is essential because it allows you to manage how websites can interfere with your browsing. Finally, select the option that says Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This will ensure that your browsing is uninterrupted by unwanted actions. You will now have a more streamlined and secure browsing experience. This final step is simple but powerful. It protects you from annoying pop-ups and potentially harmful redirects. Remember, these settings can be adjusted at any time if you change your mind. Revisit these steps whenever you feel the need to update your preferences. Blocking redirects in Brave helps you stay focused and secure while browsing the web. With that ready, you should now enjoy a smoother, more controlled internet experience. That's how you block redirects in Brave browser. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy browsing.